Midnight Trinity here, and today I'm going to be opening my Slay Glam box. As you can see, it's unopened. I don't want to show you the other side because it has my address on it. And I'm also going to be doing a look with the makeup. If you would like to see that, please stay tuned. First thing we got is a smear-proof lip liner. Next thing is a satin eyeliner in dark brown. Oh, look at this. Do you guys see this? It's so sparkly. Oh my gosh. And here's the little card. Here is a Dirty Little Secret, I think. Yes, it's a baked highlighter. And then we have a lip kit, lip library from Manicadar. So we're gonna do the eyes first, obviously, and this is what it looks like on the outside with the sparkles. Also, the inner part has sparkles too. Guys, look. So I gotta prime my eyes, but I forgot for a second. Oh, ooh, ooh. We're gonna take that into the color. I can't actually read these because the glitter, so I think it says Desire. Okay, I'm gonna go and think I'm not gonna go into Desire. I think I'm gonna go into this color called Love. And I'm going to put that on the lid. And then I'm going to take this, I don't know what it says, center light or something, and put it on the brow bone. But then I'm also going to blend this out with this color, I think it says XO. So we're going to get a lot of that. And blend out the hot pink. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Adore. I'm gonna put that right there. Just buff that out a little bit. And also put the other color that I put my brow bone on the inside of my thing. I'm not gonna do any foundation. Like I said, my skin's been breaking out. The only reason I did it last video was because I couldn't achieve my the look I wanted to for Poison Ivy. I am not going to try this lip liner. I already have a lot of them. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. I'm also going to give away this Sourmet limited edition eyeliner. I'm not going to use it. So I'm also going to give away these lip colors. These just aren't colors I'll use. Like, the only one I'd use is the dark red, and to take that out of the whole box would be stupid, so I'm not going to do that. So those are going to go into the giveaway pile. I'm just gonna try this baked highlighter because I've never tried a baked highlighter. So let's see. And this is in the color Flirt. So let's see how this works. I'm going to take the brush, my Alamar one. Let's By the way, I forgot to say that it's March 1st. This is supposed to be the February box, but even though I've been a loyal customer, I did not get it till like just today. And that's gonna go in my bag, my everyday bag. And I think that's it. I'm going to talk about each thing. I'm going to tell you the prices. So the Manicadar Lip Library is $24. The Slay Glam Box Palette, the Romance Me, the really shiny thing, was $27. The Sourmet Lip Liner was $9.50. The Sourmet Treatment Cosmetics Limited Edition Satin Eyeliner is $18. The Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetic Flirt Baked Highlighter was $14. And that's it. There's the card. I think I'm just gonna finish up my look, and then we'll do my little outro for you guys. So I don't know when. I'm gonna try to use this purple. I know my eyeliner is not the best today. My hand's been really shaky. This is also by Swarmay. I actually don't know if it's an eyeliner or a lip liner. It does not say. It just says True Line Long Lasting Mechanical Pencil. But that's what I use for my eyeliner. I'm not doing anything too crazy today because I'm gonna go to dinner with Anthony. It's his birthday dinner. We're gonna go to our local Red Robin because he wants some burgers and he's been wanting to go there like forever now. And if you hear screaming in the background, it's the baby and Anthony playing. And that's also my animals going crazy. They're playing. So I liked what I did use, but I'm also having a giveaway. I think I finally have enough for a giveaway. And if you would like to enter, please like this video, give me feedback, leave a comment. It can just be what was your favorite thing from this box. And I will decide at the end of March. Anyway, bye lovely people. I'll see you later.